Thank you very much, Mr. PQD. Now, Mr. IT Manager, please prepare the breakout room for each of one to follow.
Okay, can you please give them the brief how they will join their training room?
Okay, madam. Just couple of them are just need to rename themselves, like Toastmaster Mohan, Toastmaster Motessim, DTM Riaz. Just rename themselves in order to put them in the breakout room as well.
Mr. IT Manager, let us start for those who already renamed themselves so they can slowly go to the breakout room. Yeah.
Club presidents have been transferred to their rooms, and others are just I'm doing.
Mr. Logistic Manager, do you have any club position?
No.
Okay, so you will be in the main room.
Okay.
You will stay in the main room. Anybody who's logging in after this, we did the breakout room, they could not be allowed anymore to come in.
Okay.
But those who were logged out because of the slow connection, then allow them to come in.
Okay.
Will you please, Mr. IT, put our PQD first in all of the breakout room? Mr. PQD, you can proceed with the club president to check them.
All right.
Mr. IT Manager, please include PQD in the club president first.
Done.
Thank you. Then you can get out, Mr. PQD, after they are okay, and then proceed to the BP Ed until the Sergeant at Arms.
All right. Okay. I'm going to there now.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Miss. For those who doesn't have your position before your name, please put your position so you can receive the breakout room signal. Mr. IT Manager, we still have 56 in the room, and some of the VP Public Relations are waiting.
Yes, yes, madam. Just
Thank you.
just 1 minute. I'm just couple of them are left.
Okay, so I will now proceed with my club position. So please, LM, please monitor the main room.
Yes, ma'am.
All have been assigned. Should I close all rooms?
Some are
No,
still in the
no
main
one
room.
will be joined now.
Mr. IT Manager, some are in still in the main room.
Oh, 1 second.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, good
Yes.
morning, everybody. Did not receive the invitation for the VP training.
1 second.
For example, Treasurer Abdullah,
VP Education.
trainer, that's trainer. Trainer also we need to put in meeting room, right?
Trainer,
Yeah.
VP. Yes.
See, from the beginning, trainer VPM Sayyida, Treasurer Abdullah,
Yes.
trainer Ashraf, still in the main room.
Treasurer.
And treasurer, trainer Ashraf, in the main room. Trainer Abdullah,
Trainer.
Ashraf. Treasurer Abdullah, main room. What happened to Toastmaster Mohan? It's not responding. Okay.
There's only one trainer, Trainer Abdulaziz, but he's, according to agenda, he's
Please put Madam Tess at last.
Madam.
Not now, at last, please put her, please hold. And because we can get some suggestion from Madam Tess. Okay. VPM, who is this? VPM Yasser Alam, still there. Secretary Rafiq.
Yeah, they rename now. I'm putting.
Yeah, they already renamed.
Yeah.
Adam is not
Santosh,
responding.
Toastmaster Tasneem, Trainer Abdulaziz. I think he is not training the officers.
Madam Tess?
Madam Tess, I think she
Hello?
was in 2 accounts, so I.
Yeah. Because I can't see, I'll check with yeah, it's okay, I can check from here. Treasurers, all treasurers.
Secretary Santos is still.
Santosh, yes, okay. Rename, okay. Done, sir.
Toastmaster Farhan, can they start their session? Trainers?
They can start.
Yeah, they can start when they are already in their room. They can start their own training.
But some are still in the main room, like a VPP at Tasneem.
Tasneem, they, okay.
And the Toastmaster Anifa, okay, he doesn't
Yeah,
have
most of
questions.
them is already there, but 12 only here left on the main room.
Toastmaster Adam Isa, he didn't.
What is the position of Adam Isa?
It was not mentioned, sir. I sent him the message, but
Yeah, he's not responding to me also.
okay. And
BPM also
Latif.
Yasser Alam still in the main room.
President Mohan, okay.
Yeah, you can start.
Toastmaster Latif, can you rename yourself? DT Muhammad Hanif, are you a club officer? Can you rename, please?
Toastmaster Latif,
Hello?
yeah, please rename yourself.
Yes, please. Hanif with you.
Okay, thank you. I'll do that.
Sorry?
I will do that.
طيب انت شويه كده ادخل تمام برسلك اللينك عشان ناخذ لانه هو لازم يكون 4 اقل شيء 3.
Adam Isa, what's your position?
يس دقيقه خليه الدود. يا دي تيم جوي. I am a secretary.
You put
Okay,
secretary sec at the
I will rename, sir. I will rename.
Okay, thank you.
Toastmaster Latif, what's your position?
BPM Yasser is still in the main room. Mr. IT.
Toastmaster Mahi Yusuf, can you put your position or tell us your position?
I think not the one, those who are not responding, those not attending the meeting, just log on and log.
Yeah, anyway, though, if they are not responding, then it means that we should not put them in.
So we
the
don't
room.
have to put them in meeting room, right?
Yeah, if they are not responding.
So can I join now as a president of the club, or should I stay here as well?
Well, was it put?
I will.
Yes, as the host, Mr. IT.
Yes, I will log in as from my mobile. So I will be.
Okay, you can still monitor there if you are
Yes, sir.
going
Yes,
to
sir.
log in
Yes, sir.
differently. Yeah, okay. He will log in too.
Why Toastmaster Yasser
I
Alam
just
still
log
in
in.
the main room?
I just log in from the other side.
Toastmaster Farhan, why Toastmaster Yasser Alam still in the main room?
Toastmaster Yasser?
Yasser
Yasser
Alam.
Alam and Haythan.
No, I cannot see them.
Yeah, it is here. I can see. I
Yes.
send a picture.
And President Haitam also I can see.
Yeah.
It is okay. Maybe they join.
And ADTM Abdul one.
Team Latif Treasurer. Okay.
Sayyida Ansari has entered the waiting room for this meeting. Shall I admit her?
She's I think from 2.
So I'm going to admit her. Okay.
Yeah, admit it. She's supposed to be the
Okay.
trainer, isn't it?
She already joined from another name. She's in her room.
So only 2 Toastmasters remaining. Toastmaster Yasser Alam and CP Club President Haythan.
Yes. Toastmaster Mahi Yusuf I can see also.
Haitam also, Mr. IT, the president. Toastmaster Yasser, can you speak? We wanted to hear
Haitam
you.
is president.
CP.
Yes. Hi, I'm sorry, having some technical difficulties. Anyway, I see the request up again. I'm going to go ahead.
Accept it, huh?
Sure, will do. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Haytham, I am unable to transfer you. Your name is not coming in the breakout rooms. So can you join again
President Haitham, can we hear you?
Toastmaster Nada, can you give us your role? So I will assign you to that room.
Latif is treasurer, Mr. IT.
Okay.
Yeah, Latif is treasurer, yes.
Latif is treasurer.
Yes, Latif, I already put, sir.
But still, I can see in the main room.
VPM, okay. Trainer, okay.
We have two people. Ibrahim Khan is waiting. Can we admit him?
CP, I'm unable to saw him in the room. Put in waiting room.
What about Mahi Yusuf? I think now only he came. Toastmaster Mahi Yusuf?
Okay, can you check, President Haitham log in already, Mr. IT? Let us try now. Can you see him now?
1 minute.
Haitham.
Haitham, yes. Haitham.
DTM Joe, some are still in waiting room. Shall we admit them? Maria, Jasmine.
Admit them. We are still
Okay.
waiting for them. And put
Okay, I
them
admitted one.
on their room.
Toastmaster Maria.
Hello?
Toastmaster Maria, please rename yourself.
Beginning of your name, Toastmaster Jasmine. BPM, you are BPM. Yeah, can you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can you go me to the breakout room?
Latif is treasurer, I think.
He is joined from 2. Okay.
He was already there.
Yes, sir. Look.
I think he was logged out. Maybe his connection good.
Yes, I joined. I put him again, sir.
Also, Jasmine is BP membership. Their connection is on and off.
Toastmaster Farha, I'm not
able to see in that list. Ibrahim Khan, Toastmaster Ibrahim Khan, can you assign your position to your name, or let me know so I will rename your.
DTM Rashid, I think, is president.
Ibrahim Khan. Hello. Can you please transfer me to the breakout room? I had a connection problem before.
President,
yes.
DTM, yeah.
Sir, which room, sir? DTM
President.
Which room? President room. Okay, sir. Done, sir. Toastmaster Ibrahim Khan. Can you? What is your position? Club position?
Club president.
Please rename yourself, Toastmaster Ibrahim.
Okay, I will rename. No problem. I will rename.
Mr. IT Manager, VPM Maria is still here. Wait, main row.
Okay, 1 second. CP Hall. Okay. VPM Maria. Okay.
How about the Haitham? Did you send him already a request to accept? President Haitham, if you received the invitation, please accept it. You will see in your screen. President Haitham, can you open your mic? Can you hear us? President Haitham?
Toastmaster Mahi.
How about Ibrahim Khan? Ibrahim Khan is also president, Mr. IT.
Sir, I put them, but he again just vanished from this. I think he's already in. 1 minute. I rename his name, but Ibrahim. No. I think he break out the room. Yes, okay. He's inside. Yes.
Yeah, they are already there.
Yeah, yes, sir. Treasurer Abdul Fattah. Okay.
We have still treasurer TM who's this one.
Yes, sir. I already put
You
him.
have already.
Yes, sir. And TM
President
Mahi, can you
Haitam,
answer?
hear us?
Toastmaster Mahi, can you answer your position so I can assign you the room?
Yeah, past area director Mahi, you are an officer of the club.
Toastmaster Mahi,
She is VPE.
Mahi, BPE.
Okay, okay, I will rename.
Yeah, Mahi BP Education.
Okay, okay.
President Haitam, we could not hear you. Can you speak, please?
Toastmaster Nada, are you a position holder in club or it is okay for you?
No, I'm just the